Canva just released Forms, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to your advantage and the top 5 amazing features it has, so I need you to watch until the end, because the last one will literally blow your mind away. Because what if I told you that Canva Forms might actually replace Google Forms? Canva just had a breakthrough from integrating with Affinity, their latest AI tools, and finally, their newest feature in the Canva workspace itself. Now let's talk about Canva Forms and how you can use it. First, head over to Canva and on the left-hand panel, click on Create, then choose Website. Now once you have your blank canvas, head over to Elements on the left-hand panel and scroll down until you see Forms. Canva will then show you a variety of templates you can use in different cases such as events and feedback. Click See All to view all the options available, and once you find one you like, just click on it and it'll instantly appear onto your canvas. If you select it, you'll then see the toolbar on how you can edit the contents and overall visuals of your form. If you click on Edit, a panel will appear where you can add the questions you want to ask in your form, such as their name, email, and others. The first feature I like about this is that it's so much easier to see what type of question you want to add, unlike Google Forms, where it kinda looks a bit more confusing, but of course that's my own preference. What about you guys? Which one do you prefer in terms of accessibility? Comment down below. I'd love to hear it from you. Going back, the second feature I love is that it's so much easier to see the layers of your form, and if you want to change the layers, you just drag and drop it. Then if you click on these 3 dots, you can make the question a required question or not. The third one is that if you go to Settings, you can literally remove the header, customize the content, and replace the call to action. In the latter part, you'll see this section that says Responses. What this means is that you can collect their names based on the Canva account they use to respond to your form, and you can also choose not to. The fourth feature I like is the fact that you can literally change the color of your form. Yes, call me shallow, but isn't it nice that you can finally change the color of your forms in all the colors possible and not be limited by the only available colors? You can use up to 2 colors, and you can also change the font style and the font color of your text. Now once you're done designing your forms, the million-dollar question remains. How are you supposed to receive the responses? Let me walk you through that as we dive into the final feature, which will wrap this all up. If you go to Responses right here, you'll see a preview of those who responded to this form. Then if you click on Link to Sheet, you no longer have to open this project just to view the respondents. You can just head over to this Canva sheet right away and see the list of your respondents. Now you know how you'll monitor the responses. What's left is how you can share it, and how the respondents will be able to respond. If you remember, we opened a canvas in a website form. That's because once you're finished designing your form, you can head over straight to Share and publish this website to get a shareable link. So once people click on the website link, they will be able to access it without being able to edit the design and answer the form completely without hassle. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use Canva Forms and take advantage of all its newest features. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.